Two former DCFS employees involved in the A.J. Friend investigation have now been charged with felony child endangerment.
WGN's Brona Tumulty picked up the story. She's live in Crystal Lake this evening. Brona.
That's right. The family's home once stood in this empty lot right behind me. A.J. Friend's mother, Joanne Cunningham, was sentenced earlier this summer to 35 years in prison for beating her son to death. The little boy's father is still awaiting trial, but now two other people who were supposed to keep him safe could find themselves behind bars.
It's a wide range of emotions, as the whole past year and a half has been.
Tracy Kotzman has long been fighting for justice for A.J. Friend.
I started the group Roar for A.J.
That group has followed the case every step of the way. Members now elated by some new developments.
It's needed, it's warranted. I'm glad charges are being brought.
Two former DCFS workers, 54-year-old Carlos Acosta, an elected McHenry County board member from Woodstock, and his former boss, 48-year-old Andrew Polavin of Island Lake, were arrested Thursday. They've already posted bond, but both are charged with 2 counts of endangering the life of a child and 1 count of reckless conduct. Kotzman tells us following the little boy's death, she initially felt empathy for the caseworkers, but as details unfolded, that empathy faded.
I don't understand how and why this was allowed to happen. They basically, by leaving him in danger, enabled the parents to do this to him and to kill this child.
Back in December of 2018, Acosta investigated a call to the DCFS hotline from Crystal Lake Police. It was about a bruise on AJ's hip.
We've just seen pictures, and you could see old greenish yellow bruising amongst the deep red purple bruising.
That bruise was something the child had reportedly told conflicting stories about.
My takeaway was basically he said that AJ was a liar and that he changed his story 5 times.
About 2 weeks later, Acosta and Polavin closed the case.
He told me he did his job and nothing less. I think the fact that charges are brought and he's been arrested shows that there's evidence you did less.
In April of 2019, the little boy's body was found buried in a Woodstock field. He'd been beaten to death. The former agency workers are also named in a federal lawsuit filed by AJ's estate. It alleges their investigation was a sham. The family's lawyer saying in part, these 2 DCFS employees who were supposed to help him ignored every red flag, even ignoring reports of abuse from the local police, medical professionals and AJ's neighbours.
Now, Acosta and Polavin are both out on bond. No word yet on when they are next due in court. We did try to find out today how common it is that charges are filed against child agency workers in connection with the death of a child, and it may well be a first for McHenry County. We also tried to find out today why it took so long to file those charges against the DCFS workers. We were told by the State Attorney's Office that that's simply how long it took to gather the information, sift through it in order to present a solid case. Live in Crystal Lake, Brona Tumulty, WGN News.